Hello everybody, today I'm frying chicken. I'm doing crispy, brown, fluffy, sweetie chicken. So today I'm gonna be showing you various ways you can fry your chicken. I'm gonna show you what you can use to get a crispy KFC Kentucky chicken. Today, guys, it's gonna be fun in cooking, in frying my chicken Kentucky KFC chicken. It's gonna be so keep an eye, keep watching. Today is chicken day. It's chicken madness. I am telling you guys, today is chicken madness, guys. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I get my chicken prepared before dipping it into my frying hot oil. So guys, watch out, and thank you for everybody who has been part of this my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for all your contribution. Watch out, guys, and see how the various spices, various cubes, I used to marinate my chicken, how I get the flour mixed with spices, various spices of my choice that I like, before I start dipping them in the oil. Then you see how it comes out crispy, fluffy, brownish, and very beautiful and yummy. So guys, watch out for this video. It's gonna be fun in cooking today. My chicken Kentucky KFC chicken fries. Watch out, guys, and thank you, and keep subscribing, and thank you, guys. Thank you so much, guys, and keep watching and stay blessed. Let's go to the kitchen and do the cooking. Come with me, guys. No, it's this way. This is the way, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's go cooking. Let's go cooking. Guys, to get your buttermilk to mix my chicken, yeah, I use lemon, fresh lemon. This is the lemon. This is the buttermilk now. It's fresh lemon and milk. I mix both together, so I get this buttermilk. You can use yogurt if you want to marinate your chicken for frying. Okay, guys. My chicken now, I'm gonna put in the milk I mix with lemon in there. Okay. So I'm going to put in all the ingredients. This is a ginger garlic powder, my chili powder, my ground ginger powder, my nutmeg powder. I've done use salt. Okay, so I'm gonna put my Maggi cube. Maggi cube, there's a lot of salt in Maggi cube. Okay, guys, so that's why most times I don't use salt in my cooking. I just use a lot of Maggi cube, because Maggi cube is made of salt, packed full of salt. So this is my turmeric powder. So you can obviously put any spices of your choice that you want when you want to fry your chicken. Okay, guys, you don't have to follow my own way. Okay, this is mixed herb in there. So I'm going to break in my egg in there. The egg go in there, right? So I got one little thing I'm gonna show you guys. This is apple cider vinegar with manuka honey. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of it into my chicken. Apple cider vinegar. When I wash this chicken, I use vinegar as well to wash. This is another one nice with honey as well. Bradgate. These are very good for your health. You can drink them in hot water every morning. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna start marinating my chicken. In this bowl, I'm gonna be mixing the dry ingredients. that will aid the frying. Okay, this is my Maggi cube. I break it. I'm gonna put dry thyme, any spices. This is chili powder. I'm putting chili powder. Okay, guys, I'm putting chili powder. Chili powder go in there. Ginger powder go in there. That is my ginger powder going in there. That is my nutmeg going in there. That is my ground garlic going in there. Put anything you want to put, any spices you want to put, okay? Guys, anything you want to put, any spices you fancy. Cumin, this is turmeric. You know, you can put fennel seed, anything. Coriander seed, coriander powder. Sorry. This is sweet cinnamon powder. Go in there. This is my dry mixed herb going in there. Okay. So now I'm gonna be putting my flour. That's my flour. My flour is going in there. Okay. My baking powder is going in there. My baking powder, okay? It's going in there. My corn flour, this is my corn flour, is going in there. That will make your chicken, whatever you fry, whether chicken, whether fish, whether turkey. Yeah, guys, use this method I'm using. You will have a crispy, crunchy chicken or turkey or fish. That is my corn flour going in there. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna incorporate all together, mix everything together. Okay. You can put salt if you eat salt. I've put in my Maggi cube, break my Maggi. Okay, so I don't need salt. Okay. Chicken. The chicken has been marinated, so I will leave it in there for about, you can leave it for an hour or 30 minutes. Okay, before you start getting to fry them. So all set now to be fried. Look at the chicken. It has marinated for 30 minutes. That is the flour and the baking powder and all the spices mixed in there and cornstarch to be dip the chicken inside and fry it. So that is my frying pan on the hot fire, on the hot top, as we say it. You can't use olive oil to fry. You use corn flour oil, brain rice oil, sunflower oil, any frying oil, not olive oil to fry. Okay, so the oil is going in the frying pan. Okay. And you see it is frying. You see how golden the chicken is, how golden and crispy. Chicken is still frying, can you see it? Can you see the chicken? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you everything. The chicken is ready. Let me show you the chicken. Let me show you all the different types, the way I dish it out, using apricot sauce, using fresh rosemary, fresh lemon to decorate it, fresh orange to give you that cake, that sweetness of orange. You know, when you fry your chicken, you know, you sit down and enjoy with crunchy salad and beetroot. You know, guys, watch out now. This is the chicken. It's ready now, guys. And thank you, guys. Enjoy my chicken with me in my kitchen. Let's go. Guys, look at the crispy golden chicken. Look at it. Look at the chicken. Look at the chicken. It's ready. Look at it. Can you see? See how the chicken is sweating out from the frying pan. So now you can serve it with apricots. This is Kentucky chicken. You know, KFC chicken can be served with apricot on top. Look at that apricot. Serve it with apricots. Just sit down and enjoy it. If you want more apricot, I leave it there for you to serve yourself. Serve it with more apricots, guys. If you want more, as you are eating this fried KFC Kentucky chicken, if you want to add more apricots, that is the bottle there and the little spoon in there. Add more and enjoy it. Enjoy it, guys. That is my fried crispy, crunchy, fluffy chicken with fried potato, new baby potato, and grey sweet pepper, stuffed grey sweet pepper to serve with it, guys. Look at that. So now let me have a taste. Guys, this chicken is yummy. Very yummy, well cooked, well fried, crunchy. You know, like the chicken you buy from KFC.